What if I told you there are ways to make money online where you don't need to work every day and you don't even need to predict outcomes correctly? Most people lose money online because they don't understand how risk works. In this video, I'll show you smarter, lower effort strategies that allow your money to work for you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about lazy ways to make money online. Now let me be very clear from the beginning, these methods are not 100% risk-free, but they are smart strategies where your money works for you, and I'll also explain how to reduce risk as much as possible. So if you want to invest smartly and understand how money really works online, this video is for you. Now this first method shocks a lot of people because it involves sports betting, but it is actually one of the least risky ways to use betting. The first strategy we'll discuss is sports betting arbitrage. A lot of people do sports betting, but most people don't really understand arbitrage betting, which is why they keep losing. And the interesting thing is you don't even need to predict who will win. Sports betting arbitrage is a betting strategy where a bettor places bets on all possible outcomes of a sporting event on different bookmakers, taking advantage of differences in odds so that a guaranteed profit is made no matter who wins. Let us say there is a tennis match between player A and player B on bookmaker A. Player A has odds of 210. On bookmaker B, player B has odds of 205. Instead of betting on only one player, you place calculated bets on both players across the two platforms. If player A wins, you make profit. If player B wins, you still make profit. This works because the combined odds give you more than 100% return, meaning your total payout is higher than your total stake. Important note, you cannot bet randomly or equally. Arbitrage requires proper stake calculation, speed, and accuracy. Here are a few things you must understand. Odds change fast, you must be very calculated. Profit margins are usually small. Bookmakers may limit accounts over time, but when done properly, this is one of the lowest risk betting strategies available. Now this next method is for people who don't want to stress or study teams every day. This method is sports betting based on probability, not guesswork. Here, you don't need deep knowledge of teams, you focus on high probability bets. You aim for 70% minus 80% win probability, not jackpots. This is not gambling blindly, it's about discipline, statistics, and risk control. Let me be honest with you, this next method can make money, but it can also wipe your capital if you're careless. Forex trading is another way to make money online. Yes, Forex can make money, but Forex is risky. This includes Forex binary options, commodities, crypto trading, stocks. Forex requires learning, practice, and patience. Anyone promising easy money without risk is lying. This next method is perfect if you don't have money to invest yet. Online services allow you to earn without investing money. Examples include surveys, product reviews, app or website testing. Companies pay people to give feedback and improve their products. It won't make you rich, but it's legit and beginner friendly. This next method is similar to sports arbitrage, but this time we're using cryptocurrency. Crypto arbitrage means buying crypto on one platform at a lower price and selling it on another platform at a higher price. Example, platform A, BTC equals 70300, platform B, BTC equals 70500. You make the price difference minus fees. Key things: be fast, consider transaction fees, watch transfer time. This method is one many people use daily without realizing it as a strategy. P2P trading involves buying crypto from individuals at lower rates and selling at higher rates. It works best when you understand market prices, you manage risk properly, you use trusted platforms. There are many ways to make money online. Arbitrage trading, online services, crypto opportunities. You don't need 1 billion naira years of expensive course. What you really need is consistency, practice, discipline, risk management. This video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, comment below which method you want me to explain fully next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.